Ke second Meghalaya Pineapple Festival 2024, negata masa pin inam yo sotrun bapin mi na Meghalaya, balapin long hanong ba Delhi. Kalapin short jadu ye ki paj rithor ki badan ha Delhi namar ka jingbam paju yo amat yo sotrun ubashnyam ubabun bar ubathyang kumbalong usso bami na kani gajalla ka than chite lam ingi kari.
I am Sanjay, coming all the way from Pune in Maharashtra. This Meghalaya festival was a certainly surprise. Lots of color, lots of good taste, very tasty, tangy, very sweet, and should be encouraged. More and more Meghalaya festival should be there, not only in Delhi but all over India.
Kajing shit kasun bineng bat kajing klut kal air hanong ba Delhi kanang pinkring ye ki paj ba bikin wan chakani kata masa sotrun ka basansni jong ka Meghalaya bikin wan mat yo sotrun ban pingat eladi nolor ban thedru ye ki jingbam balashna no sotrun kum ka umso ki jam bat kiwei bila pinyat yo hakani kata masa
of Prime Rural. Prime Rural is an initiative of Government of Meghalaya where we work in 12 districts, 12 blocks. We go to each and every village of the block, and as I speak to you right now, my team, 36 kids of mine, they are on the ground tenting in different villages and finding entrepreneurs like Konkirsu and Rubina, and they are hunting them, finding them, and then we pick 20 to 25 champion rural entrepreneurs who can become the example for the rest of the block, so that others can also take up entrepreneurship programs. And I provide them doorstep incubation support along with my team. When I say doorstep incubation support, this festival becomes one of the biggest platform that can help us in providing the doorstep incubation support, because we help them with registration licensing. That is where all the products that you see here, they have got all the licenses, all the nutritional checks, all the expiries done. We help them with product development. That is why the red rice tea from Jayantia Hills is in bamboo packaging, and all our sustainable packaging that I'm promoting, so that the rural entrepreneurs also get the standardization of the urban entrepreneurial ecosystem. We provide them with training of the levels of IHM also. And then we help them with marketing, market linkage. In the market linkage, this becomes one of the biggest platform for us, because not just normal buyers come here, we also get wholesaler, like bulk buyers. So they come here, they place big orders. So far, somebody has already placed an order for the black pottery. Somebody has placed order for red rice tea and so on and so forth. Along with this, we also have an MOU which is being implemented, whereby we are providing them with machinery, solar and electricity. And as I speak to you again, the last step of the DPRs are getting signed. And I think in the next 2 months, you're going to actually see the example whereby the rural entrepreneurs that I'm working with, they will get solar, they'll get electricity and infrastructure according to their business basket. So if somebody is making wine, they'll get wine infrastructure. If somebody is making, and we also incubate blacksmiths. So right now I am getting 30 plus entrepreneurs. We have 140 entrepreneurs, and we are getting more and more, and we want to make sure entrepreneurship spreads all across Meghalaya.
We have just discussed.
What I do now is that I teach them, and Konkirsu and Rubina will tell you by themselves. So I teach them bookkeeping, in which I also teach them how to do unit costing. So imagine this is the product. So what is the cost of the packaging? What is the cost of labeling? What is the cost of the product? Then we also add logistic in it. Now logistic cost also gets added. That way the price of the product goes up. Now you must be thinking, from where do I take care of logistics? So this is where, as I started expanding in the last 1 year, we saw that youngsters started coming from Shillong who said, "Madam, we'll pick up this business. We will make sure that the product gets transported." So there is a boy from Jayantia Hills, no delivery and no FedEx or anything. That boy has taken up the charge and he's saying, "I will deliver." So right now, as they are getting the orders, so he is delivering it. And so what we are trying to do with this project is that not just these rural entrepreneurs, we also want to create a entrepreneurial ecosystem in the state. So if logistic, we want youngsters to take it up. Packaging, I want youngsters to take up packaging, and we will provide them with wholesalers, car numbers and all of that. And same way, Government of Meghalaya is actually helping us in label printing also. So there's one again entrepreneur in Jayantia Hills, Jovai. He had normal label printing machines and all of that. We are getting him laser print.
Yakni kata masa lapan longhan New Delhi had Kalam Memorial kabalas dang na do kashpo tarik unaitung but kod haka khasaw tarik unaitung ahda arsaw. Kani kata masa kadi kablapan long daka Sarkar Jilla haringkat ke Jingatrailang but ka Directorate of Horticulture ka Meghalaya Heritage katana Tourism ka Jilla but kiwei.
Hi wanihini snyawe lang baga Sarkar Meghalaya mo tamanu kami yung Sarkar ise tem yang suk cibono yo igapo cini yo ipun yung igitir dai na do la thaurep I hado ha thao đài mó ngắm ông tình tình đang mình chua đem vui dội cầm mình giáo và tổ quá tiêu rep one gi nong thết một sĩ đor gi te một đã iwan one là độ na thao rep hado thao đài nhau rap yo bori te cái đor hair di bahwa i lemje batal một em ki nong yarab i lembaga office wa yarab i snau thu ya ki bar no to pun cek ai grupo ini te yo ele dai sibun ge yaw snau sukses te ke bedor le rap yo i te snyau man kamte ki tierwa wan rai ini te boro du na ki tre yong ki nong rep la ni ki nong chna kam tam kam gini wat han gini wat chna bun jai mo kam gini ki share ini gi changi ko gi wat han gi dikti man gi wa ong bai ki wa mi bai na po mi khaliam to di connect la nyim to di wa kabong wa wan rai na bar ijing skiet bai ki ni waro ete daw mut wan gi bruna bar de thet ki snya suk ichbon uyo ya chem paramat mat ba i nong rep wa gi nong dai wa gi gini wa ro do gi wa peni bai ki nong mi khalia ki nong rep ki yong i kiwa em sapo mi khalia mo wala nong kedong adu hasor le mut kiwa to bai gi natre bai kini waro pior man gi organik paka bai to gwa khle de ye mut kalau kamu ni u cermit lo la kadong le to wada de khle powder to wada khle da wai mo ngam ong kini mut da man gi wa organik bai wa best how bam sa au suk cibon mut yulti wa sorkaru penyo cu go i kam gini ge yaw kam gini ka buksier mo yo cu i u lai aten penda iya i yo urap yo i gedor go biang
napo FS RLS napo shnong riang do Motion Block West Kasir District sini ngawan ra ki pineapple juice pineapple squash bang shnahi National juice sebenarnya kami ka sotron kapal coba sotron nanti extra juice nak sotron and then we add sugar add kashini nang ta bagi preservative kayo kabiang hi ibalamat kiong kabiang kacing sang jangan naka sarkar kalong ba kinang ay susu ini kacing tersyan dapat yarap ban promote dem iki project lang ba nila ban dia ki ang bakin sakut kajuk mo bangi peni ni kwa ban penyat dan bakamar sungi kanyat ken nang balada kamar sungi kanyat kinong rep sungi ru kin yo ka kamai kajik kinla ban nang kamtung subun ki sotun hapo ka jaka begitung nila ban fit ki sotun hakador ka babiang nila ban supply ru jenis tai hakador ka babiang oh sotun sungi ukam tiang hi when you compare with the jenis kijing jungi kilom haka marketing hi nila ban dia oh nila ban pemi lesing nila ban pemi shibun ki produk ki bangila ban le luar mo tambah ke marketing ni dang guna apa bagi dan cakap ban penyat iki katahi ini ki festival ni dan kam keleng nang bangin namadai lembag ni festival ni ngila ban di ki mata jumi ambon sin bani ka bangin dan apa sino mo macam kalau ba kamtam haki lokal jumi mo hapo kada pathan jumi ba kibri jumi babun sha shnong sha pomeglaya jumi dang guna pa ban thiet ya kamar jumi hi bangi men permi mo te kalau ba kin ai kin kacing hikai ni awareness kibri ba impenan kam ki mata ki ban permi ki oh kadon kacing ta nomor ba kacing ta kalau ba kipat haka packaging impat biang hangi dang don subun kijing na haka packaging ban pak na shnong chane babun ki umsok lapat no plus katahi haka jingora chane nila shishim bet na po FPC ban wan ra chane nila shipak tangba kadang pat tiap
Kini kata masa kadai karinsan kebaka sorkar jela kala ai shiki pat nong rep ke jela ban la pin ithu yu so trun baki pin mi shiki yo ke perthai nolor ki jingba baki pin mi nau ni uso bakentup iki jam umso bat kiwei